Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Pantene Gold series. This is for natural, transitioning and relaxed hair. Sulfate-free, paraben-free, dye-free by Pantene. So, as you guys know, Pantene is not known as a natural hair brand. It's not a brand that we know for having products for our type of hair texture. So, yeah, this will be exciting to try and review. I purchased this at Coles, which is a local shopping center. So it's quite exciting to have something that is specifically formulated for our hair texture in your local shopping center when you're getting your bruvos, because Coles now has bruvos. When you're getting your bruvos and your kale and your curry powder and whatever else you get when you go shopping, you can also pick up something like this. So you guys have seen me do my sleek bun using the pudding. So I'm going to be reviewing the product so that you can give it a try and let you know if it's worth your money. With that being said, obviously this is a I guess a drugstore type of brand. So it is a brand that will probably not have all of the greatest stuff. But it is better than using something that is not made for your hair. So better something that is somewhat made for your hair than something that is not made for your hair at all. So better you have a little bit of hydration and you have a better palette to work on than you start your hair with dry, damaged, brittle hair because of the products that you use, because I understand that not everybody can afford to spend a ridiculous amount on shampoo and conditioner and can pay export and import fees and all that kind of jazz, and some people just want the convenience of going into stores. So this is hopefully, if it works, the convenience of going into stores. So you can do your research about the products, what's in there, all that kind of stuff. That's not what I'm here to review. The way that I review, you guys know, is how does it feel, what does it make my hair feel, and what does it do. That's all I care about. So with that being said, let's jump into the shampoo, the conditioner and the detangling milk. So on first impressions, looks good, smells nice. Lathers well. I mean, shampoo is shampoo. Usually where we start to sort of get into the nitty-gritties is with the conditioner and the products. Smells very good though. I'm just gonna wet my hair so that we can have a look at the lather. So my hair texture is now starting to sort of coil back. Lather is pretty good. It does lather a lot better than some of the other shampoos and conditioners that I use. So let's wash it out and see what we're working with. All right, so surprisingly enough, my hair is really soft and it doesn't feel stripped at all. And usually shampoo doesn't really make my curls pop, but I can see that some of the curls have actually popped, which is surprising. Let's try the conditioner. I'm actually very impressed by the shampoo, guys. my hair is actually very soft after, and it's actually, the shampoo kind of feels like a conditioner with what it's done with my hair. I really prefer, I like the smell of the shampoo better than the conditioner. Literally my hair is already so, like the curls are already popping through, and it was just the shampoo that was applied. The conditioner kind of feels like a leave-in conditioner, but it's the wash out one. Let me add some lather. Wow. Damn. Guys, I'm so impressed. I really didn't have high hopes for this. In Australia, this is hard to come by. I'm kind of sad, like, I don't really want to say this, but the products that I currently use don't give me the level of moisture and like moisture and just like softness. My hair feels so soft. If you could just feel it. I'm just gonna quickly finger detangle, and then I'll detangle properly with the detangling milk. So excited. Damn. Okay, Pantene, you did that. You did that. I'm so glad I decided to try this out. This is a game changer for us. I really do love what it's done with my hair, the curls. So this is after a wash. My hair feels really soft, really hydrated, not stripping at all. Okay, let's get into the detangling milk. I've done 7 pumps, so I'll do 7 pumps one side. 7 is the number of perfection. My hair has the weirdest texture when wet. This is literally how my afro is. In the back of my head, the longest strands of my hair. So this is what it looks like with the detangling milk. Oh guys, I'm in love. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. Yeah, this is good. I definitely recommend it. That's probably the best drugstore I've ever. I'm really, really impressed. This is with just the detangling milk, but I'm gonna go in with a curl cream. It just like butter. I think I put too much, actually. You can do your little wash and go. You can do, yeah, this I'll definitely be repurchasing this. What do I rate it? An overall 8.5 out of 10. In the drugstore supermarket range, 10 out of 10. Probably against other natural hair competitors, 8. 8 is very, very high. I'm very, very shocked and surprised and happy that we have this in Australia. Definitely feel free to give it a try for yourself. If you do give it a try, let me know if you like it, how you feel about it, your thoughts, etc. I'm gonna head off because I need to go to church. But 10 out of 10. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked the video. Leave your comments down below and if you're going to try it, or if you have tried it, or any other products you want me to try so that you don't have to. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and turn your notification bell on. It really does help in promoting my channel. We're on the road to 100K. We hope to reach that very shortly. I love you guys so much. Mwah.